bull. Hang on, I'm just...
This is
Oh,
where...
yeah. I got crates here.
Clink's playing a totally different game to us.
Yep. He's
Looking for guns.
Ah, yeah.
with no ammo.
Oh, okay, other side of this. Yep. So it's just you and me, Tox.
Right, yeah, just a sec, let me catch up to you.
Oh god.
Oh, I'm dead.
Ah, where was he?
I don't know, I think it felt like I got shot in the back, but... Yeah. AI got me.
Oh, I got hits on him. He reloaded and shot me. Vino Pariah.
Yeah, Vano, yeah.
Yeah, I was I ran up to him, but of course I was out of energy when I got to him. I was fucking...
You say you got hits on him?
Yeah, I got hits on him.
I didn't even know where you were, man.
I was... So I did damage dealt 120 and hit count 3, and then 2 kilometers, no, 0.345 travelled. Left leg, it doesn't tell me what I hit him with. He had armour and shit on. 65 XP. Rubbish.
Ah, shit. I'm pretty sure I killed the guy who got ya.
Cool, he's kitted up, he's got a white vest on.
No, he's dead now.
Нехороший вы, блядь, человек. Ты куда пошел?
Oh, it's a 30 round clip. That's good. I thought it was only one of them stupid... You know you get those AK Custom 10 round mags?
The 10 round.
Yeah, it's usually...
I sell them and get the 30s. I got loads
Yeah,
of
yeah, yeah.
and I like the 60s too.
Normally when you loot... Normally when you loot a scav, that's all you get, the 10 round ones, but...
No, but a 60s beautiful.
This one's got 30, which...
I've been experimenting
working
with
out.
something that Toxic's been trying to work out is how to put, like you can put traces in and then put normal bullets. And what Toxic's idea was to put in so that you knew that you were going to run out of rounds. And that's a really good plan, but I don't know how to get them in first or second. I don't know how to get the order in there. I've tried. Like if you
Yeah, I
put
saw on the video the guy could actually separate individual bullets. But I can't figure out how to do it. It's like one of those alt...
it's like hold Controller Alt. I've done it, but it's so much fiddling around. It's like, nah, who cares?
But if you really wanted to...
No, but on the 60 round gun, you put the first 10 rounds in as traces, and then you put the other 50 in, and you just keep shooting until you start getting those traces going, then you know you got to reload. Do you know what I mean? Like, that's a lot of... in a gun battle, that's a big difference. It stops you reloading or breaking it. It's when you should be waiting for someone, and just waiting and not making a sound, and not reloading. You know what I mean? Like, you know how you get that... this urge
It's
to
a good visual
reload.
indicator.
Yeah, and there's this urge to reload, over-reload everything. I do it in squad all the time as well. I reload far too much.
There's a scav here he's not fucking happy. Oh, now he's dead. Woo!
Well, I don't really like factory very much at the moment. I don't know.
Oh, no, I'm having fun.
No, I just don't know what I know.
It's once you get comfy with the map, it is actually a bit more enjoyable.
Yeah, I like it once I know it, but
Yeah.
at the moment I start going, okay, how do I get out of here if I do get something good, or if I do, and I still, once I can spawn and go, right, I know where to go, I'll be happy, and I'll play it all the time, but till then...
Well, who's up for a run? I want one more run before I start.
I'm still going, and I think I might be a while, so you guys might want to do another.
Do you want to do exactly what you just did then, Tox, or do a run? Do you want to do a raid? I'm up for a raid.
I'd rather do it like a raid, but where do you want to go? Interchange?
Well, I do scavs on interchange, or I'll do shoreline.